This video will show you how to replace the lock core for your semi-integrated battery. We will be using a Rad City 5 Plus high step, but the process will be the same for all bikes with the semi-integrated battery. You will need a T7 or T8 Torx screwdriver. Hardware in some models may vary, so use the appropriate tool for your bolt head, size, and style. Start by getting the bike ready for maintenance. Turn off the bike, remove the battery, and press the power button to discharge remaining power. Locate and remove the internal cable cover using your Torx screwdriver. Set the internal cable cover and hardware aside. Remove the lock core bolts with your Torx screwdriver and pull the lock core out of the down tube. Set the bolts aside and recycle the old lock core according to local rules. Your new lock core will come with a new key that likely has a new key code. If you'd like to use the same key and lock as before, we'll show you how to use the original lock with the new lock housing. Otherwise, feel free to skip this step. First, remove the two bolts on the front of the new lock core. The lock cylinder should slide out of the housing. Next, remove the two bolts on the original lock core and remove the original lock cylinder. Place the original lock cylinder into the new lock core housing. Install the two new bolts. Tighten until secure and recycle the old parts according to local rules. Place the new lock core into position. Ensure the motor cable, the wiring harness cable, and the battery cable all fit completely under the gap at the bottom of the lock core. Tighten securely with your Torx screwdriver, but do not over-tighten. Reinstall the internal cable cover with your Torx screwdriver. Tighten securely, but do not over-tighten. Install the battery and test the bike fully before riding. Reach out to our product support team if you have any questions. And ride rad!